guys, I'm Rasmus. I'm here with Mette and Nikolai, and today we're doing the Formula 1 driver Lewis Hamilton's hairstyle. Are you up for it?
Yeah, of course I am.
Alright, let's go!
I'm not a saint, you're mad. Your sugar-coated doll is not so pure, my bad. I don't give a. You're stepping on me and they call my mama. Touch you better than that. You're mad, I guess you're mad. Wore my best pajama for this drama. Why you talking like that, like that, like that? I'm not gonna spend the night, I'm talking. You got bad things on your mind, keep walking. Spit your words on someone else. Don't act like you're so obsessed with me, with me. You know that I ain't coming back, I'm sorry. Read my lips, you do not like that. You're drowning without me. Take it all back, but if you want my sympathy, honey, well come as a bitch, get ready for this. Tries my best, confess. You hate me wearing the pants. If you weren't so damn obsessed with making me a perfect lie. Makeup is out, naturals in, letting my skin glow out. You took it shit if you don't like this. You still live in your man's world. I'm not gonna spend the night, I'm talking. You got bad things on your mind, keep walking. Spit your words on someone else. Don't act like you're so obsessed with me, with me. You know that I ain't coming back, I'm sorry. Yeah. If you want more, we let the beat rock across the dance floor. We gotta move, where did the time go? Lost in space, superhero vibes, yo. Put your lights up if you wanna go. Close your eyes now and chase the sun. We gotta move, follow the tempo. Gotta take it icy, gotta let it go. There's 100 different ways how to spend up all your day.
This was the Lewis Hamilton hairstyle. How did you like it?
Fantastic.
You did a great job, Mette.
Thank you. Yeah.
And guys, remember to write in the comment section down below what you think about the hairstyle. Also like the video and subscribe if you haven't yet. See you guys next time.
I'm Rasmus. And I'm Emil. This is a special episode where we are shooting from Tenerife. The new Vilain Silver Fox will be available in a couple of months. Stay tuned and remember to subscribe our newsletter. You can find the link down below.